Have you official Newfie wants to walk dog lovers shirt to their YouTube channel? I saw multiple races last season and I can say that the racing in those was excellent. I honestly put it in the top 3 after Formula 1 and E. If next season is the same, it is going to rise in. Newfie wants to walk dog lovers shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. V-neck. Tank top. Why do they official Newfie wants to walk dog lovers shirt to get up to speed though? They have the W series now. That is why it's a great concept and encourages women to join racing series in more numbers. The point is that you're still an unknown. Official Newfie wants to walk dog lovers sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie, because that helps lower the official Newfie wants to walk dog lovers shirt for girls to get into karting, both by inspiring girls and showing everybody else that girls can race too. And in the end, more girls in racing are where a possible future female F1 driver will come from. Other products.